This is one scene from the production of Nanny McPhee. And this is Agatha, played by Sidney Reese Coffey. Now we have Nanny McPhee, played by Riley Alexa Coffey. Yay! Come on, use some flowers for myself.
Okay.
Do it.
Children, time to wake up.
Stop coughing.
I see you have measles. I will have to go get my medicine.
You're stuck. You're not supposed to get up. You're stuck.
She's stuck in bed because I banged my thing. Come on, if you want to get better, please get. Okay.
Can you move now? Can you move now?
Do you feel better? Yeah. Children, when you don't want me, but need me, I must stay. But when you want me, but no longer need me, I have to go. We don't need you. It's like you will never want me. We will never want you. Is that so?
What do you do what you can? Are you unstuck now? Can you move now? Can you get up now? No?
Yeah.
Good job, girls.
Take it out. Take it out.
The medicine was actually just water.
Props and costumes by Maria Semo.
Very good, excellent, excellent.
Everybody-
Encore performance.
Did you see